is gallium. It's element number 31 on the periodic table, and it's quite a fascinating metal. It's a soft grey metal that's quite rare on Earth. One of the things that makes gallium so unique is its exceptionally low melting point. It melts at just under 30 degrees Celsius or around 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which is low enough that you can actually melt it by simply holding it in your hand. However, it doesn't behave like mercury, which is often considered to be the liquid metal. Gallium instead tends to stick to your skin a little bit. It also has some useful real-world applications. When used as a compound, it becomes a semiconductor, which means it plays a crucial role in electronics and LED technology. If you've ever used an LED light, there's a good chance that gallium was part of that technology. It's also used in mirrors. Gallium can be spread onto surfaces like glass to create highly reflective finishes, which is part of why it's used in space telescopes. If you smear a little bit of it onto a piece of glass, it will spread out evenly, creating a perfect mirror-like surface. Another interesting thing about gallium is how it interacts with other metals. When combined with indium and tin, it forms something called gallium, which has a melting point of just minus 19 degrees. This means that it stays liquid at room temperature, making it a safer alternative to mercury, especially in thermometers. Not only does it remain liquid over a wide temperature range, but it doesn't have the toxic properties that mercury has, which also means it's better for the environment and for things like temperature measurements. When you think of gallium, you probably don't think about thermometers or space telescopes, but this little-known metal has found its way into a variety of high-tech applications, whether it's making electronics run smoothly, or replacing dangerous mercury in thermometers, or contributing to mirrors that help us to explore the cosmos. Gallium proves that even the most unassuming elements can have a big impact. You could even call it the element of surprise.